and improving and sharpening our skills. And Mikhail want to say something. Michi, there's the people. Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome to R&R with Suno. Suno for R&R with Suno. I appreciate you on this channel, everybody, and thank you for all the new subscribers to this channel. Hopefully, there's a bunch of stuff on this channel that could assist you on your journey, Mikhail. Hey, man. Mikhail saying hi, everybody. So hopefully there's a bunch of stuff here that could assist you on your journey called fashion design, and I think we're all on this journey, yeah. And this channel was mainly created for my patterns and garments Saturday classes, but there was a bunch of people who wanted me to continue this even beyond Saturday. Hey, Mikhail, beyond Saturday. So I hope there's a bunch of stuff here that could assist you. I think we are purely focusing on assisting our beginners on this journey. And so far, a lot of intermediate and advanced people has been reaching out saying that they found this channel quite helpful, and I appreciate that. And it keeps us going, and your support keeps this channel going, people. And hopefully we can push out a lot more content as we go, and we're now on that level of pushing a few content out per week. So I appreciate your support, people, and it keeps me going. It keeps us going here at House of Suno and R&R with Suno and Sewing with Suno. And thank you guys. And yeah, let's leave it there. I'll catch you guys in the next video.